If you're experiencing issues with Cyberpunk 2077 updates getting stuck, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Follow these steps to optimize your update process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A slow or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. You can test your connection by running a speed test or trying to stream a video. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve update issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplugging it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache of the game launcher like Steam or GOG by following their specific instructions. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the update to hang. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming it. This action can sometimes kickstart the process and allow the update to continue downloading. Check the game launcher for the option to pause and resume. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the game without any corrupted files. Make sure to back up your saved data before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with the Cyberpunk 2077 update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.